Matt here with American Iron Magazine. I'm standing next to our 2019 Indian Scout Bobber long-term tester. I've racked up quite a few miles on this bike this summer and I love it. It's a great bike. We've also done a few installs with it. We bolted on a bobber seat, giving it a vintage look, a bit of a classic style. And we've also put on a set of performance shocks by Fox. Both of these items can be purchased on the Indian website or through your local Indian dealer. We are also going to be giving away an Indian Scout bobber, a brand new bobber, to a lucky subscriber at the end of the year. So if you are a subscriber, fantastic. You're in it to win it. If not, head on over to aimag.com, sign up, and throw your hat in the ring. Get a chance to win a brand new Indian Scout bobber. It's Matt from American Iron Magazine. Good luck and enjoy the ride.